皆さん、こんにちは。私はジュニアと申します。今日のレッスンは、みんなの日本語の第9課を勉強していきましょう。それでは、始めていきましょう。Okay, so dito sa lesson 9, pag-aaralan po natin yung noun ga, arimas, and wakarimas. So yung automatic particle po ng arimas at wakarimas is particle ga. Then noun ga, ski, kirai, jozu, heta. So yung ski, ito yung like, yung kirai, don't like, jozu, skillful, and heta is unskillful or poor at. So arimas is to have, wakarimas is to understand. So automatic particle ga po siya. Okay, I have laptop, meron akong laptop. So watashi wa pasok ga arimas. Next natin ay understand Spain language. So or automatic particle ga kung ano po yung naiintindihan natin. So watashi wa supengo ga wakarimasu. Always particle ga po yung ilalagay. Then I like sushi. Kung ano yung gusto natin, automatic particle ga po yan. Minasang sushi ga suki desu. Next, I don't like sandwich. Sandwichi ga kirai desu. I'm good at dance. Dance ga jozu desu. Then I'm poor at cooking. Ryori ga heta desu. So kung saan kayo mahina, put after nun, put particle ga, then yung adjective na heta. Okay, minasang, so always particle ga po ang ilalagay natin. Okay, next, adverb fukushi. So they put before the verb and after the particle. So nilalagay sila bago po mag-verb at pagkatapos ng particle, yung mga adverb. Okay, yoku daitai sokoshi. These are the 4 positive verbs. So nilalagay yan sa mga positive verbs. Amari zenzen, ito naman po ay negative verbs. Okay, so yoku is 100%, very well. I ate lunch break, very well. Kumain ako ng lunch ng maigi or mabuti. Watashi wa hirogohan, o after the particle ilalagay yung adverb na si yoku and before the verb. Okay, so watashi wa hirogohan o yoku tabimashita. Daitai 75% in general or mostly. I clean the room in generally. So watashi wa heya o daitai soji shimasu. Okay, palitan na lang po natin to ha, soji shimashita. This past tense na po kasi siya, no? We did it. Soji shimashita. Daitai soji shimashita. Okay, next, sukoshi, 50%, a little or a few. I close the window a little. So, watashi wa madoo sukoshi shimemashita. Okay, so nakikita natin yung mga adverb ay nilalagay before the verb. Yan, and after the particle. At yung ating mga verb ay naka-positive naman sila. Okay, next. I did not study English well. So dito naman po yung amari. Ego, amari, benkyou shimasen deshita. I don't have any car. Si Zenzen naman, 0%. Kuruma ga zenzen arimasen. Okay, pag amari at zenzen, kita natin yung ating verb is always negative naman. Okay, amount, taksan. I have plenty of money. So, watashi wa okane ga taksan arimasu. So, taksan isa ring adverb to, nilalagay before the verb. Watashi wa okane ga taksan arimasu. Okay, sentence 1 kara, sentence 2. Yung sentence 1 is a reason, sentence 2 is a result. Kara, it's that's why and because. So, bago kayo bumuo ng sentence, minasang, hanapin nyo muna yung reason. Siya muna yung mauuna. Pag nahanap mo na yung reason, maglalagay ka ng kara. So, after ng kara, sabay yung result. This is my favorite movie. That's why I will watch it tomorrow. So, hanapin muna natin yung reason. This is my favorite movie. Ito yung reason. Kore wa daisuki na eiga desu. Then, after nung reason mo, lagay mo na yung kara. So, yun. Kara, then, yung ito yung result, ashita mimasu. Okay, S1, reason, yung daisuki na eiga. Doon yung S2, result, ashita mimasu. I bought medicine yesterday because I have a headache. So, hanapin nyo muna dyan yung reason bago yung result. So, yung reason dito, atama ga itai desu. Then, put kara after the reason. And yung result, hino kusori o kaimashita. Doshite, so ito po yung why. Pwedeng gamitin yung nande at saka yung naze. Puro why naman yun. Why are you late? Doshite okurimashita ka? Because the bus did not came in time. So, di nakapunta. Kapag ka doshte yung tanong, dapat laging may kara ang sagot. So, basu ga jikan ni mani aimasen deshita, kara. Lagay natin ang kara sa dulo. Okay, so ito po yung lesson 9, minasang. Ano juga de warimashou, warimashou. Tsukaresama deshita, mina.